and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you could fix the problem of numbers not summing up in Excel. So probably you have downloaded a file or you have been creating a file and you have realized whenever you select everything, all the numbers, it doesn't sum up here below. If you don't see those numbers, then you have to understand that the decimal indicator in your Excel file is wrong. Between what is set up and what you have in that specific Excel sheet, it's wrong. For example, for me as a French native, I have here my settings from the website from which I downloaded this file. The decimal settings is the comma, while since I'm using Excel under American settings, then the decimal indicator should be dot, and that's why the numbers are not summing up for me. For you it might be the other way around, that the decimal indicator is comma, however you have the dot being used. So to fix that, all what you need to do, select the row or the places where you want the numbers to sum up. For example, for me, I need all these numbers here in the middle, and then select everything, click Ctrl F, the find option will come, click replace, and here find what, put what you have already set in the numbers. For example, here the decimal indicator is the comma. I need to get rid of it, so I will put it to be found and replace with, here I will put the dot. I will click replace all. Here, all done. We made 31 replacements, which is good. I click OK, I click close, and now simply I will just reselect again everything, and here I have the numbers summing up. However, as you can see, under the sum, I don't see separation between the thousands and the millions, so it's easy. Just go to Home tab, click on the comma which you see here, comma style. It's format with a thousand separator, and once we do that, as you can see, it starts being this way. So here, whenever I select again, I see exactly, and here I have 41 million, and it's being showing correctly and it's summing up properly. Now it gives even the average calculation. All what you need to do next is to click save and click yes. Keep it under the same format, or you can change the format if you want. However, note that if you have a table full of data, for example, let's imagine that all of these lines, they contain numbers, you have just to select everything and again Ctrl F, and you select replace, and you do that. This should solve the problem for you. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email, and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.